Strictly Come Dancing stars Peaty and Fletcher looked delighted as they stripped down to their underwear for a final spray tan on Saturday afternoon. In a short Instagram clip shared by Strictly's tanning specialist Carrie Marsh ahead of tonight's final, Olympic swimming champ Adam, 26, is seen stood side-on to the camera showing off his ripped bronzed body in a pair of yellow undies. The hunk, who exited the show last month, grinned at the camera as he peeled down one side of his pants to reveal a very obvious tan line. In another clip, McFly singer Tom, who also crashed out of the show in November, donned a pair of black pants as he also tugged the side of his undies down to flash a tan line. In October, the McFly band member, 36, also stripped down to a pair of shorts as he told how he was having a good old spray tan ahead of an episode of the show. Tom wore his light brown locks in a tousled hairdo for the selfie snap in which he was seen pouting with his arms outstretched. The singer wrote in the caption, "Okay, I know it's not very me posting a shirtless pic," says the man who's been naked on the cover Attitude mag. "But in the name of finding my inner sexiness for the Salsa de Morro, which has a pool party theme, I'm back to the good old spray tan this week and very happy about it." Earlier this year, Carrie told how often stars are nervous about getting tanned, but soon crave a healthy glow. Carrie told The Sun, "The first week they are nervous saying I don't want to look too dark, then it changes and soon they want the works. It is not compulsory, but I try to gently encourage them into the tanning room. The bright lights of the studio can make them look drained. They are often very reluctant at the start, then really get into it. Jamie Lying was one of those. But suddenly he loved his tan every week. He was very jolly and chatty and so excited." Carrie also told how she sprayed 57 liters of product over contestants' bodies during each series. She also revealed Strictly presenters Claudia and Tess have their own dedicated tanner who comes in every week to spray them. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@trinitymirror.com or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.